Hi everybody, do you guys see this face mask? Actually, I'm doing a face mask for pigmentation, dark spot, acne, but mostly for people that have acne problem. Guys, try this one at home and you'll be amazed. So today I'll be showing you guys on how I do my face mask for my pigmentation. I had a lot of pigmentation within my eyes, on this side of the chin, and I'm actually very happy the way my skin looks now. Nothing, I didn't put any makeup, it's just my glowing oil. So I put on oils, and then obviously my lip balm just to boost a bit my skin. So now let's start with the process. So this is my skin after I think after the fourth day when I started using this mask. You don't use the mask every day. Do this mask at least twice a week or once a week, depending on how sensitive is your skin, on how fragile is your skin. So for me, I was always doing this once a week, because my skin is super sensitive. Because this one is almost like a scrub. It's a scrub. It's like exfoliation. But then if you want to do a mask, if you don't you want to skip the scrub part, you want only the mask, then you can do this at least once a week. So first thing is first, what you'll need is corn flour, or they call it maize meal, whatever in your name you call it, maize meal. So you'll need 2 spoons of maize meal, 1 spoon of honey. It must be raw honey, guys. Sometimes you buy this syrup at the shop, you're thinking that's a honey, but that's not honey. So you need raw honey. Even this honey that I'm using is actually not the raw honey, guys. But then anyway, you'll need a bit of lemon. So what you'll need is just let's say some drops of lemon juice, just to boost. Don't put a lot of lemon, guys. Lemon contains acid. Be careful whenever you use lemon. I see a lot of people using lemon. Apparently they put lemon and then you put it on the face, like the lemon juice itself, you scrub it on your face. Guys, remember that's acid. You will damage your skin. Do a bit of research if lemon is very good for the skin. But then if you use just a little bit of drops of lemon, there is no any harm. So once I'm done putting the lemon, you mix everything together. So here I use maize meal, which is corn flour, lemon, and lemon juice, and then turmeric powder, and then fresh milk. Fresh milk, if you know, guys, in India they use a lot of fresh milk for the skin. Fresh milk is very, very good for the skin. So once you're done mixing, you exfoliate your skin. So remember, guys, if you have a very sensitive skin, instead of using maize meal or whatever, or corn flour, use at least maybe rice milk, or what is this, yeah, rice milk or almond milk powder. Use powders that are a bit light. But then this one, if you have pimples, this one maize meal is very dries out your pimple. It removes, guys, I know what I'm talking about. This remedy really, really works if you are an acne prone person. So then once you're done, you leave it to get dry. Like now I put it on my skin, and then it start getting dry. So you leave it to get dry, and once you do this, you actually feel your skin is very, very smooth. You feel your skin is really rejuvenated. So now here, once I'm done, I clean my face with cold water. You can actually use lukewarm water since it's very cold here in Namibia. So use lukewarm water, and then you wash your face with a soap, any type of your soap that you have, and then after that apply any moisturizer. It's easy like that. Yes, I did this. I had a lot of, now here you can see a bit of pigmentation still under my cheek. Was the old video before I had pigmentation, before I started doing research on what product will work for me. So then here my pigmentation, I had pigmentation, but still I've noticed that it disappeared because I had a lot of pigmentation, guys. You get this melasma pigmentation through pregnancies, through sunburn, but I never used any lightening creams. But I think it's because of the sunburn. My skin is too sensitive. Yeah, so then after that, once you're done, you must make sure that you do this at least. It must be on your routine. Let it be on your routine so that you don't forget. Mostly for acne. acne prone skin. So if you're acne prone skin, do this at least once a week or twice a week, and then you'll see result. If you see that the acne it's now fixed, healed, you stop doing this, then you can just continue with your normal skincare routine. So guys, this is my skin now. Do you see that pigmentation I had on my cheek? They are all gone, guys. I did not put any makeup. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you very much. Bye.